Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, we got that silo full, leveled it, let it down, we're feeding out of it. High moisture grain. Looks like she's got some on her head there. So I got what I like to call the triple threat from my feeding back. That's haylage, corn silage, high moisture grain. And here's what it looks like in the feed bunk. And that's just fresh and moist. You just smell that stuff. So the boys are getting done milking here. And I just got them fed. We got a big day today. Try to get some combining done. Just gonna try to finish that field we were pulling out of. Maybe try to pull out some more here at the across from my house. And they're gonna do that. And I'm gonna try to get some equipment cleaned up and put away. The grinder blower, washed down, and just get buttoned up. So Dad already took off in the combine. I heard him go by. Let's try to get on board with him and see how it's going. Let's go. Cart, but the bigger the cart, the bigger hole you got to dump in.
Well, you got to slow down, don't you, fast?
Yeah, he is. Sucks it right out of there. Look at that. Bye. Yeah, that's 220 some bushel on non-tile field. Field kind of got a slope to it, and it bumps right up to that muck down there. That's good corn for up here. Grain carts just getting these semis dumped. We're heading up to Brown City now. Silos are full, so it's a struggle to get it, keep everything moving at once. Running 220 bushel, 16 and a half, 17% moisture here.
That's still low.
Trying to get this knocked off. Still wet, so we're not doing beans yet. Yeah, there's not a weed out here. The spray worked perfect. He sprayed all this. You guys remember that video? We were fixing the sprayer up. So I just got a call from Greg. He's loading this, or sowing this cornfield, and he can't get the truck out. She appears to be a bit stuck. So he calls me and he says, you need to get a big tractor up here and get hooked on with a chain. Now, we've got bigger tractors. I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to highlight the white again. Hook to the manure spreader. We're going to take it, we're going to try to back up and just get him out. Shouldn't take much, but you never know. Let's go. She wasn't terribly stuck, but the white prevailed. No job too big, no job too small. Okay, got that done. Let's put that away some other time here. Greg just called again. They're done out here. He needs to move that truck I just put out here and move it across the road there where they're going to start the new field. Fire right up. Pull this wagon out. That's where the blower goes, back in that corner. This wagon was custom built. My dad and his buddy built it last year specifically. Haven't used it but once for hay rides. It's that time of year. We're gonna get all the kids together. One of these days it's nice, and we're gonna line in some straw bales and we're gonna have a hay ride. So I had to get this out anyway, but yeah, let's get this thing put away and keep moving. This is always a good spot for it. We put it back in this corner because it's going to be 1 year from now until we'll pull it out again. That's a spare blower for corn silage we haven't used in a while, but if that case I use blows up, you'll be glad you got it. Ag bagger, that's going to be sitting for another, oh, I don't know, 11 months probably. Head up front, we got to drop the oil in this. I don't know if we'll get to that today or not, but we'll get it up there. And yeah, that blower is a lot wider and heavier than you think. That's, I mean, that's a lug right there, that baby. Okay, that's gonna do it for the day. Hey, it's almost milking time again. I gotta feed these cows again. Dad shut down the combines here. He's at the fueling station. He's gotta run up and get a bale wrapper. Remember all them oats we planted? Well, they're up. We're gonna try to get them cut. We're gonna have a good week, get them cut and baled, and then we'll wrap them. We'll bale them green. So that's gonna be next up. We gotta keep combining. We got soybeans out, and let the games begin. Hey, subscribe to the channel, stick around for a while, hit the thumbs up button, appreciate it, and see you in the next one. God bless.